Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you're at around the world. My name is Tom, and welcome to today's video. Dom is turning 23 on November 20th, and I wanted to surprise her with a little bit of a getaway, you know, while things are going crazy right now, and just to, you know, relax and go somewhere new and try new things. As you see by the title, we are staying at a Cork Factory turned into a hotel. I think it's so unique and so awesome. I'm just here basically to tell you guys that it's going to be a surprise, and I'm going to show you guys like what I book and everything, and then we're going to go right to the hotel. All right, so let's see what we're going to be staying at. I'm not kidding, it's a Cork Factory Hotel, and it's in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and we are going to go big or go home, and we're gonna go with the executive suite. So let's book this now, and I will see you guys the day of. All right, Dom, are you excited?
I am.
Do you have any idea where we're going?
No.
Are you scared? Yeah, the only thing I'm telling you is you had to pack for a night within, like, I guess
2 hours, you said?
2 or 3 hours. But we're staying somewhere really unique. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you're ready.
Oh, gosh.
All right, let's hit.
All right. Okay, everybody, so we just left Wawa.
I got a smoothie. Strawberry banana smoothie.
Yeah, he got a smoothie.
Oh, look at this view.
Chicken parm sandwich, and I got a oven roasted turkey sandwich. So now I have literally no idea where we're going. We're going over the bridge from New Jersey to Pennsylvania.
You guys know by the title and by the intro of this video where we're going, but she has no idea. I just put in the GPS and I'm just taking her, just kidnapping her.
So it says we'll be there in like an hour and a half. So where we live in Jersey, you can take 2 bridges. There's either the Walt Whitman that goes into South Philly, or the Ben Franklin Bridge, which goes into Center City.
Do you have any guesses or anything?
Pittsburgh?
Pittsburgh? In an hour? It takes like 6 hours to get to Pittsburgh.
Maybe the Poconos. All right, everyone, so we are officially out of the city part of Philadelphia / Pennsylvania.
And we are into the farm towns.
Literally. We saw a bunch of cows on the side of the road. So
we're going farming.
I'm assuming that we're going to Lancaster.
We are.
There's a bunch of cows on the side of the room, and I was like, wait, I think he's taking me to Lancaster.
You've always wanted to go to Lancaster. I feel like you've always wanted to go. Give a little backstory.
So, backstory. Literally, like, how long? Probably
since I've met you.
I think since I've met Tommy, I've always wanted to milk a cow. And you know what? He's like, probably like, you know what? This is going to be the birthday where we're going to milk some cows.
Yeah, so I can stop hearing about her wanting to milk the cow. But I'm not going to tell you where we're staying just yet. You're going to have to see it when we pull up. And when we pull up, don't get scared either. Don't be scared. Don't panic.
Don't panic. That was my, if I was asking for a sign, that was a sign. It literally looks like a factory.
I mean, it was a factory. We're staying in a factory. Oh my God.
So we're staying in a factory that's now a hotel?
So we're staying in a Cork Factory turned into a hotel. So this place that we're staying,
the lobby's that way,
used to be a Cork Factory, but it was turned into a hotel now.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
Whoa, look at that.
Guys, there's literally brick everywhere. This is legit a factory.
This is what it looks like. Park right here. Oh,
so
this is cool. Hold on, I'm gonna park over here. This is gonna be a unique experience. That's all I just gotta say.
All right, we'll check back with you guys when we go inside.
It's a historic hotel of America. Wow, that's awesome. Going to open up this door to the hotel was actually really nerve-wracking. But as you can see here, as we walk into this beautiful lobby, we are greeted by a nice warm fire, and the hotel just has this overall comfy and cozy vibe. There's a little gift shop right there where you can buy stuff, and overall this lobby really set the tone for this hotel.
So we just went up the steps. We're in our hallway on the second floor, room 201, and we have the executive suite. So let's get it.
Factory.
It literally has a factory feel to it. On the walls, there's pictures of what happened during those times, and the workers, the women when they worked.
201.
You ready?
Whoa. This is insane.
This is literally insane. And welcome to the executive suite in the Cork Factory Hotel. All right, everybody, so now we're gonna take you on a tour of this beautiful hotel room in the Cork Factory Hotel. So when you first walk in the door, to the left, there is a closet, which I will open up. And it just holds some bedding, pillows, hangers. We got an ironing board and table set. Shut that. And to the right, we have the bathroom, which is so beautiful because it's got marble. It's got a really nice wall tile in the shower. And it's also cute, but it has little like mom and pop type shower gels and shampoos by
let's get this brand.
CO Bigelow Apothecaries, which is so cute. And now we're moving on to my favorite part, the living room. It's so cozy and warm. I just love it. And it's also really cool because we normally don't get hotels with living rooms in them, which is awesome. So here we have a full-size sofa that is so cozy. And over here, we have one armchair with a kind of discomforting pillow that almost freaked me out when it came in here. Another table where you can eat and watch TV. That's over here on this really wide entertainment desk. There's a safe where you keep all your valuables and personal items. A mini fridge, which is awesome because we've been in hotels where we don't have mini fridges. We have another armchair that matches the set in the living room. And there's also kind of like a counter workspace with a sink. Over here is a really cool work desk that me and Tommy will both be using because we have schoolwork to do.
And I feel like I'll be productive here because it's just
you just feel so much more studious and productive when you're sitting at a desk.
Well, no, not only that, but like here with the brick walls and like the president pillows.
It's like discipline, you know? And follow me into the master bedroom. All right, so I'm sitting on a king-size bed, which is perfect for both of us. And it really just fits perfectly in this bedroom. It's going for, you know, that factory country look they're really going for. It's really awesome.
There's me and you guys.
Where we have a TV and more places for storage to store clothes and other items.
I just love the look of this place. I feel studious. Like I feel like Nicolas Cage in like National Treasure or something. I don't know why, but
and I love the
do.
Brick wall. It really puts you like in that factory feel.
Another thing that I super enjoy about this hotel is there's a lot of opportunities for natural lights. I didn't open up the windows for the natural lights for this video just because I like this like tint that the hotel's giving off. It's kind of matching the theme. But there's so many ways to get natural light in this hotel room, which is actually not normal for hotel rooms, because for those of you that have stayed in hotel rooms, you know that there's usually like one window, two maybe at most. In here we have not one, not two, but we have 3, 4, 5 windows in this hotel room. All right, one cool little thing that we got from the lobby is this Factory Times. It kind of looks like an older style like newspaper slash like, you know, in those like factories where they all got like their job schedule and everything. But instead it has like the dining, the restaurant, and everything that's like important about the hotel on it. So I thought that was like a really cool feature. And it's got like a map of the hotel too. Wow, would you just look at this? We got ourselves a nice meal, football, spaghetti, meatballs, Coke, over there eating. Here I am sitting here enjoying this. This is amazing. All right, everybody, that does it for our tour of the factory hotel. Well, the Cork factory turned into a hotel and the executive suite. So if you guys did enjoy this video at any time, please leave a like down below. Subscribe if you're new around here. Your support means the world.
And leave a comment below if you like the hotel, if you ever stayed here, or if you have any suggestions on what to do in Lancaster for other people.
Yep. All right, everybody. Peace out.